America, you have the American left?
We drive on the left side.
Yeah. Confused with the Bali, eh?
Yeah, nah, because this is, and then, yeah, this is kind of weird.
Yeah.
You got this meal. There is a dragonfly.
Is that right? That's just $5,000. Okay, so finally settled. We're at like this, I guess it's like a hotel or whatever, but in a little bit we're about to check out and actually go to the villa to meet up with a bunch of other people. So that's that. This is a view. Oh, okay, there's that. But yeah, so I guess I'll check back in. We're about to like go take a look at like some shops and stuff like that, and you guys will see what I'm doing. Oh, it wasn't too far. And all their music is American. The weather is actually not that bad. It feels like Georgia in the morning.
Hello, that's my man. How are you, buddy? Come from South Africa?
No.
USA.
Very good.
Hey. No worries, my man.
Yeah, appreciate it.
The promotion of restaurant there. But you look baby face. How young you are? Are you 20 or
I'm 29.
29?
Yeah.
Hang on, my man. Yeah. My name is Sergio.
Okay.
Hello.
We about to go get something to eat right quick.
Yeah, just the, excuse me, you me here. Just the promotion of restaurant there, yeah. But don't worry, this is not us to stay. Free for you. No, welcome to Bali. Free. You don't have to pay something.
Okay.
Yeah. Only need to recommendation because inside this car we have the promotion like this one. Open and win free prize giveaway.
Okay.
It's open. Open like this. Okay. You move here, yeah.
Why you gotta be looking like that? It's different.
You know, they eat dogs in Indonesia.
You eat dogs in Indonesia.
They got pit bull and potatoes. They got rotisserie rottweiler. They got some poodles and some noodles.
That might be kind of good. Poodles and noodles. I mean, at least it's
I think the pit bull and potatoes.
Hell. I'm good. Did my shirt say fuck off too? What the hell does my shirt say?
It says you ugly as fuck.
You see? This is why girls kill
Nah,
niggas.
it say fuck you next. That's right, next.
Next. And then this is fuck off.
And it say fuck off, so you just want to be
Fuck nigga free. Fuck nigga free. we just got to the villa and we're pretty much just waiting on everybody to come. So it's gonna be like, I think like 20 people that are coming. So you guys will get to see that. I'm gonna give you like a tour. It's literally like maybe 4 villas in one. I'm like sitting in this like weird little seat, but it's like 4 villas in one. So you guys will get to see that. Look at the pool, it looks so good. Oh, you guys can't see. Anyway, I'll give y'all a tour so that you get a better view. We're in like villa number 2, so you guys will see what's going on with that.
I did a walkthrough with everybody basically in chunks, but you all know the rundown of how things go. It's a very great itinerary this week.
You smell that chicken and rice? Smelling like mulans. You know in Indonesia they eat dogs. I'm showing that pit bull and potatoes. They go that damn rock roller. Eat that pit bull.
Get out.
Let's go, DJ.
So sorry for the bad quality, guys. This is gonna be kind of like
6 in the morning.
I'm probably gonna have to vlog from my actual camera. This
Morning.
is copyright infringement, so I'm gonna cut this short real quick, just for now.
Trey, Sean, Javon, Leah, Aiden.
Oh my god! My shit was July 31st. Oh my
No, we going up first. We going up.
How you doing, Greta?
We up here. I'm trying to get everybody to see it.
This is cute.
This.
Good morning. So we're about to go like hiking and stuff like that, and we have a lot of excursions. So I will pretty much just film everything. It's not really much to say. You guys will see exactly what's going on.
You want
This
this
is a
shit
look. This is what I have. Okay, I'll see you. So we have breakfast and stuff like that that's served. Everybody is like out here and up from last night. This is the breakfast. I can't play this clip for very long. It's gonna be copyright infringement, but yeah. Hey. But yeah, so we'll see y'all later. Well, at least I will check back in, y'all. This is like the perfect freaking life. Like everything is looking good. It's looking good.
Need a seat.
He's gonna be so dirty.
This is Pandy. He was Sed's tour guide when Sed was here, so he took Sed everywhere. So he's gonna be taking good care of us, and he's honestly dope. Any questions you have or anything you need, you can ask him, and he'll be with us the whole trip except for our free day. And even on your free day, he can help you organize whatever you need to do, get you transportation, tell you the prices and everything. Cool?
Damn. It's too hot for this shit.
Half of this shit.
I like those sandals.
I want one of them little bags.
Yeah, I was just telling him I got this shit off Amazon for $10. It's probably 30 cents right there.
Facts. They probably made it right there on the side.
Girl.
It's nice right now.
You gotta come early, gotta get up. Everybody got drunk last night.
I actually was not that drunk.
I
would.
took so much shots, but I'm pretty solid. Like,
No,
it
I'm
takes a
good
while.
now. I'm good now, but this morning I was good.
Yeah, I was pretty good. I mean, I know my own limits, so I'll just kind of, once I start feeling decent, I'm like, okay, no need to keep going.
So what I've learned is just break the seal.
Yeah. Not go overboard, right? But a lot of people go overboard for no reason. Just to wake up feeling crazy.
Can't even control me.
It's just like, you know that there's more liquor tomorrow, right?
Yeah, it's a whole week.
Or even just going out in general. I hate when people overdo it.
Yeah. Got a little late.
That looks real nice. You can take out my camera. Yeah, hiking down, so I don't even want to imagine hiking up this mug. It's about to be crazy. They got this damn bird's nest.
What's your password again? I ain't going to sleep.
We always trying to sleep. Grandpa.
I like to sleep. Now we missing we missing.
Why does your camera look way better than mine? What iPhone you got?
I had the XS.
The new one. I usually be up on the new one.
You ain't up.
I'm late. Okay. Excuse me. Hey, John. It's so pretty. Oh, is this the swing? That's cute.
Eat up there. Go up there to the guy in front of Sean.
So we're at the Bali swing now. The last place, that wasn't the Bali swing, so we're just gonna cancel that because I didn't know what the hell I was talking about. We at the official swing now.